so you're gonna watch something a bit new today. So if you're watching this right now, this video is a bit different. I'm sorry I sound kind of low, but let's get on to the video. So these are green thingies like under an engine. So this is what powers this fan right here. And this other one powers the camera, so it can move side to side. It can do that, but it easily breaks. And these are levers to turn it on. So yeah, there's some buttons down here to control the fan sideways or the other way. And there's a lot of buttons and levers to push here, because this is like a crazy fan type thing. And there's another lever to control the flag, and another lever to control that blue spinning thing back there. It doesn't look like it, but it's right in the middle of the camera. Okay. And we have a satellite dish, and it's pointing at us right now because it's looking at us. And this is a flag that I told you earlier. This is a gray ramp. I don't know what it's used for, but I guess it could be made as a great sun blocker. And you see there's levers in there. That's because it controls that. And there's a lever at the top of the building. It's higher than most of the things. And we have this black loader thing with a fire stack in the middle. And we have another fan which is powered by this propeller. And we have stairs that lead up to the control room, the main room. And last but not least, we have this big boat. It's more like a transformer. It transforms into a boat and a hovercraft. And here's a boat that whenever it falls off this Lego piece, it falls into the water and it just sails in the water. So yeah, that's my factory.